Welcome everyone to BTT 151 Fundamentals of Electricity. I'd like to go over your Unit 6 homework on parallel circuits. Question 1, what characterizes a parallel circuit? Has multiple paths for current flow. Question 2, why are circuits in homes connected in parallel? One of the rules of parallel circuits, the voltage remains the same. So for example, 120 volt duplex receptacles, the branch circuits in your residence that connect those are going to be in parallel. Question 3. State 3 rules concerning parallel circuits. The voltage is going to remain the same, so V sub T is equal to V, the voltage drop across R1 is equal to the voltage drop across R2. The current, the total current IT is going to be equal to I1 plus I2. And then the overall equivalent resistance, Req, is going to be equal to R1 times R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So in a traditional parallel circuit like we have here with just two resistors, here's the battery represented by V sub T. I sub T is the total current. At this dot, this is called a node at that location, so the current will split. I1 goes through resistor 1 and I2 will flow through resistor 2. Question 4. A parallel circuit contains 4 branches. One branch has a current flow of 0.8 amps, another has a current flow of 1.2 amps, the third has a current flow of 0.25 amps, and the fourth has a current flow of 1.5 amps. What is the total current flow in the circuit? All you have to do is sum up all of the individual branch currents. So I sub T is going to be equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4. Plug all the numbers in and you'll get a total current of 3.75 amps. Question 5. 4 resistors having a value of 100 ohms each are connected in parallel. What is the total resistance of the circuit? In this application, since the resistor values are the same, all you have to do is take 100 divided by the quantity given 4, and you'll have R equivalent is 25 ohms. Question 6. A parallel circuit has 3 branches. An ammeter is connected in series with the output of the power supply that indicates a total current flow of 2.8 amps. If branch 1 has a current flow of 0.9 amps, branch 2 has a current flow of 1.05 amps, what's the current flow through the third resistor? So again, I sub T is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. We're solving for I3 this time. I3 is going to be equal to the total current minus I1 plus I2. So if you plug these numbers in, you'll get 0.85 amps. Question 7, 4 resistors having values of 270, 330, 510, and 430 ohms respectively are connected in parallel. What's the total resistance of the circuit? A second form of equivalent resistance in a parallel circuit, when you have more than 2 resistors in parallel, R equivalent is equal to 1 over R plus R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus 1 over R4. So you have to take the reciprocal of all these answers. So when you plug the numbers in, final solution for R equivalent, 90.74 ohms. And the last question, question 8. Parallel circuit contains 4 resistors. The total resistance of the circuit is 120 ohms. 3 of the resistors have values of 820, 750, and 470 ohms respectively. What is the value of the 4th resistor? So you would have to manipulate this expression to solve for R4. If you plug all the numbers in, you'll get a total resistance value of about 273 ohms. Thank you.